Hey everybody, welcome back to PTP YouTube channel. Today we are going to test out a headlight restoration. It's a rubbing compound that's supposed to rub on, rub off, restore your headlight. I've tried the WD-40 trick, tried the toothpaste trick, I've even tried the hot oil trick. I've even tried just straight up re-clear coating headlights. I suggest don't do that, not until you've cleaned them. That ends very badly. So when I see products like this that are on the market that are fairly expensive, that claim to do the trick, I have to try them. My method for cleaning headlights is to use sanding paper, a polishing pad, either a clear coat or ceramic coat after I'm done doing the polish. The only kit that I suggest, really don't want to do this because I don't get paid for it, but the kit I would use if I was going to do this at home and I was a novice would be the Meguiar's heavy duty kit. That kit can do everything from light headlights to really bad, really soiled headlights. So the Meguiar's heavy duty kit would be the only one that I would purchase to actually use, and we're going to see if this can actually keep up. So I'm going to use what I use now, which are a 1000 sanding disc, a 3000 sanding disc, a heavy cut polishing pad, and a heavy cut compound, which is Meguiar's M105. And then I'll coat it with a ceramic coating, but we're going to try this out first, see how it does. I'm not going to lie, I'm a bit skeptical. They do have some products that are pretty decent, like their polishing compounds are decent, especially for novice people. Let's try it out. You guys can be the judge and tell me what you think, if this is worth the penny. So the Chemical Guys Headlight Restore is designed to be a rub-on, rub-off type of chemical compound, and I know it's hard to read, but the instructions tells you to use 3 to 4 dots on a microfiber towel or microfiber applicator, and we are going to then rub that in for 3 to 4 minutes or until clear, and then we'll buff it off. My kit consists of a 1000 sanding disc, a 3000 sanding disc, a heavy cut compound pad, using the Meguiar's 105 compound, and the vehicle we're working on is a 2000 Toyota Corolla, which has both heavily oxidated and pitted headlights. Here we got the Chemical Guys microfiber applicator. We're going to stick some of this product on here, and it is very, very thick. It is like molasses. It's hard to get out of the bottle. We're going to put 5 dots on here, and then we're going to rub it in. You can start to see that I'm rubbing hard enough to actually force the vehicle to move. I'm not being gentle. I am trying my hardest to rub this stuff off. It is getting clearer. It is becoming more visible that I'm actually removing some of the oxidation, dirt, and wax that's been built up on this. And there you go. You can see that it has cleaned it up. I'm using a little bit of an APC to remove any residual residue. And now we are going to do the other headlight using my steps, which is starting off with a 1000 sanding disc just to remove the top layer of oxidation, dirt, and wax buildup. This disc is what you typically would find in the Meguiar's heavy duty headlight restoration kit. You can also buy them off of Amazon. They are a 3M Trizac disc essentially. Once I'm done with the 1000, I'll rinse it off, rinse the headlight, and switch over to the 3000. Repeat the same process. Once I'm done with the 3000, I'll rinse it off, rinse the headlight, wipe it off, get it clean. I will then use the heavy cut pad with the heavy cut compound. I'll just slap some goop on there and then spread it out on the light before I begin to polish the light. Typically I will polish the residue until it's almost clear or is clear and translucent, and then I'll know that the compound has done its job. And once that's done, I will then buff off the excess, clean the light, inspect, make sure I don't need to do it again. Alright, I'll bring you in closer now. You can see the two different sanding method with the polishing at the end. And then here is the Chemical Guys restoration. You can see that the Chemical Guys did clear the lights up, but it doesn't remove the oxidation that's built in. Now my colleague Nate decided that he wanted to give the Chemical Guys a benefit of the doubt. Figured that my elbow grease power isn't sufficient, so he's going to try using a hybrid 50/50 wool cut and finishing pad. And he's going to get in there and he's going to buff it up using that to see if he can show me up. Now that Nate's done, you can already see that yes, he has already done a much better job and removed quite a bit. But we're going to bring you in here so you can see this light up close. You can see it's cleared it up quite a bit, but yet there's still a lot of oxidation still within this light. Here's the one we did with the sanding and the polishing. And here's the Chemical Guys. And now this, I understand that the Chemical Guys one, we've done it twice now. We did it by hand power and by machine power. As far as the Chemical Guys product goes, I'm joking. I didn't really throw it in there. It is garbage. Now we're gonna finish it up so it matches the other side. I am gonna skip the 1000. I'm just gonna go straight to the 3000, and we're just gonna sand it light down and get rid of the rest of the oxidation on there. Once I'm done the sanding, moving back over to the final step, we're gonna get the cutting compound on the cutting pad and we're gonna polish it out. We'll do a nice little buff. Get rid of those sanding marks. Give that light a nice clear lens. As far as the Chemical Guys product goes, I would not say that it's a complete waste of garbage. There are definitely better products and there are definitely cheaper products on the market to do this with. Just understand that the Chemical Guys product does work. We did go back and try it again with a sanding block and then polishing it out, and at that point in time I just say, why? What's the point? You're better off just using the kit that you can buy from Meguiar's. It's literally the same price. You're gonna get better results, much better results. Or you can buy the sanding disc, polishing compound, and do it yourself. With all of our lights, we either clear coat them or we give them a 10-year ceramic coat. In this case, we're going to put a 10-year ceramic coating on the light. Before I buff it off, I do allow a proper amount of setting time. With this coating, it is 5 minutes. And there you go. You can see we've removed the last bit of the oxidation, cleared those lights up, and now both sides look the same. Crystal clear, almost new. In the end, I want to state that the Chemical Guys product does work initially. It will not get heavily oxidated and dirty lenses completely clean, but it will do a quick fix for those who need it. Understand that there are cheaper options out there and there are more expensive options out there that will do the same and or better job. With that, I hope you enjoyed and we'll see you in the next video.